Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. So I'm going to cook some sirloin tips, except I'm not going to cut it into tips. I'm just going to leave it whole. So we're going to call it sirloin strips in the air fryer. This is a quickie. I feel like some steak today. I have some company. So why not? Okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. I haven't did an air fryer video in a long time, so this is for all those who request. Here we go. Okay. So I'm going to actually take some beef base. I'm going to put a piece on each piece. I have 3 pieces, as you can see, 3 strips of sirloin steak. Okay, so now I'm going to put some, I'm just going to go with the Sassoon everything because that has everything in it. And that works for me today. So you see, okay, so now we're going to take the beef base. This is beef base like you're making beef soup or something. And we're just going to rub it on here and there. Not all the way because we want to see some red color when it cooks. We don't want to see it all dark, okay? And turn this side over and I'm just rubbing it here and there. So you get an extra flavor of beef. Okay, same thing with each piece. Make sure you can see. Now I'm going to flip it over. And then I'll put some Sassoon everything on this side as well. Almost like the beef is marinating it. Okay. I'm just going to wash my hands. Okay, so I'm going to put some Sassoon everything on there. And those are the only 2 things that are actually going to put on the steak. You put the beef base, which is a paste form, and Sassoon everything. Okay? Alright. So let's put it in. I'm going to cook this on 370 and let me set it for 10 minutes and then I'll turn it over. Okay, it's as easy as that. Okay, let me wash my hands and give you the word of the day. I want to talk to you about the air fryer. I get a lot of questions about the air fryer. So some of the questions I get is, what size pan do I use? What kind of pan can they put in the air fryer? Any type of pan that you could put in your regular oven, whether it's aluminum, stainless steel, or like glass, as long as it's made for the oven, like what kind is it, Pyrex. Okay, anything like that. And don't be afraid of the machine. Treat the machine just like it's your frying pan. The only difference is the time gets cut down, okay? And yes, you do have to move things around. I turn things over. I turn all meat over. because when the instructions said move things around, that to me means nothing. But I know if I turn it over, I can make sure that it gets all cooked correctly. Okay, so that's some of the tips that I have with you with the air fryer. I'd like to hear from quite a few of you to let me know, do you still use your air fryer? How often do you use it? Do you think it's a good tool to have in the kitchen? What size air fryer you use? How do you like the type that I have that have the shelves versus the type that's a basket? Do you like the basket better? You let me know, okay? And also let me know about maybe you've turned family members or friends onto the air fryer because of what you like about it, or maybe you told them not to get one because maybe you don't like something about it. All of those things I'm interested in hearing. I haven't cooked in the air fryer in a while. That's because I have over a couple of hundred videos with the air fryer, so I was trying to make sure that I also utilize the stove and the other equipment that I have so that everybody get a well-rounded understanding of what they can do or can't do in their kitchen, right? And I know we've all been home for a while, locked in the house, so maybe you got some real use out of your air fryer. So let me know that. Okay, so let's check on our sirloin steak and we're going to turn it over, okay? All right. Okay, we have 1 minute showing on our 10-minute setting. So we're going to let that shut off. Okay, you see the word off there, so I'm going to open it. Oh, and by the way, my door handle broke quite a while ago, and I still have not been able to get that fixed. I tried several things, but it has not stayed. Okay. I'm going to just turn them over. Oh, that beef base that I rubbed on there, oh my goodness, is that going to be good. That's going to enhance the flavor dramatically. Okay. Now, let me see if I can get it in. I did. Okay, and I'm gonna set it. It's on 370 still. That's the temperature we're working with. And let's go with another, let's go with 7 minutes. So that's a total of 17 minutes, okay? Okay, great. Let me give you the word of the day, please. The word of the day. The word of the day is, so I have a car, right? And I have a note on my car. And I was trying to decide whether or not I was going to keep the car, not keep the car, or what I was going to do. And I said, you know what, Rachel? We're still in this problem that the sickness have affected us nationwide. The job was shut down for many months. You don't need to do anything but just nothing. Just keep everything going like you've been doing until you see what's going on, because we don't know if we're out of the water or if we're actually not out of the water. So if you're following me and you got that same dilemma, try to hold on until you can see what's going on, and then you can make a wise choice. The word of the day, make a wise choice. That's the word of the day. Thank you. Okay. Okay, guys. We're all done. This is medium rare, which means you'll see some blood coming out. Okay, that's how we want to eat it today. And let me take a taste for you. 1 second. Okay, let me show you the middle. It's pink in the middle, and the other pieces are a little bigger, so they're more redder in the middle. So I just wanted to show you that. Alright, let me take a taste. Oh, you can't see me, can you? Okay, here we go. Tender, juicy. Please put that beef base on your steak. It is awesome. Alright, thumbs up, subscribe, share the video. Check out my links below. Love you. I came back to show you the larger pieces, and you can see how more pinker they are than the little piece I had showed you. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. Thanks.